Mama? Did you get him a car?
There's a car in there.
Open it.
Okay.
Rip it.
There you go.
Like that?
Yep. Rip it.
Hey, you get it out?
Rip it.
Hey, the books.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, the
There you go.
book.
Rip it. Very
It's the
good.
book. Hey, the book.
Open it.
Okay.
Take the books out.
Look, I got that. See?
Wow, what's it doing?
It's doing baseball.
Doing baseball?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, it's another book.
What else is in there?
And you don't pull it out? It's
Look, you stick your finger in here and you can lift the fire truck out.
first. Back out.
And then you can put it back in like a puzzle.
Like a puzzle.
Yeah, put it back in.
Okay. Put it back in. And press it. Hey, press it.
Mm-hmm. Turn the page. Let's see what else there is.
Okay, I'll turn page.
Ooh, boats and an airplane.
Yeah, and lots of boats.
Ooh, bulldozer.
Hey, that boat.
Look, you have a car like that.
Yeah. He has a truck like that. He caught something.
What did he catch?
Can we touch that car? That wall? Hey, I'll turn the other page. Look.
Is that your favorite page?
Yeah, it's my favorite page. Like a puzzle?
Pick it out like this.
Like that? I did it. Hey, you press it, Dad? Hey, bitch.
It's hard.
That's hard to work.
Can you get this one out by sticking your finger in
No,
there?
don't stick it. He's not going in here yet.
No, that means do not go in there.
No, not.
JC.
What? You got something. And our present?
Last one.
Last one? Hey, there's the last one in there. There's the last one in there.
You ready to open it?
Yes, it's ready to open it.
Okay.
It's ready.
Rip it.
It's stuck. Rip it.
Rip it.
Mama. Hey, and something's in. Look. Look at that. Look at that cars. Hey, you
Neat.
have the fire truck. Look. And look.
Look at that book.
Look. Look at all those cars.
What's in there?
I don't know. There's some trucks and cars and buses.
Do you like those?
Hey, I like that bus. I like one bus. I want that car. I want that bus. I like that bus. I like that bus. I have lots of cars.
Are there more on the next page?
Yes. Next page. Hey, is jump over the cars? You know to jump over the cars
Mm-hmm.
in the store? Hey, Look at those cars. I want all those. No, I want that one.
You want that one?
Yeah, and it's going.
That one looks neat.
Yeah.
How many cars are there?
Who's that?
Is that Herbie?
Looks like Herbie.
Yes. Look at those wheels. Is that a wheel?
Mm-hmm.
Look at those cars. What's that car?
Take a picture of Lola.
Hey, what's that car? What's that car?
Lola.
That car. Hey, what's that car? Hey, what's that car?
Looks like a fast red one.
Yeah, the fast red one. Hey, here's another red car. Hey, do you see it? Like that?
Do you like that book, JC?
I like that car.
You like the cars?
Yeah. Hey, what's that race car?
I can see this book's going to be really fun.